Welcome to our channel. If you make frequent international calls, follow these step-by-step instructions to use mobile virtual networks for affordable international communication. Step 1. Research MVNOs specializing in international calling features. Budget carriers like Ultra Mobile, Mint Mobile, and others offer plans with included international minutes. Step 2. Compare international rates across MVNOs versus major carriers. Per minute rates to specific countries vary dramatically between different providers. Step 3. Look for plans including unlimited international calling to specific countries. Some MVNOs offer unlimited calls to Mexico, Canada, China, India, and other countries. Step 4. Consider specialized international calling apps as alternatives. Services like WhatsApp, Skype, and Viber offer free or low-cost international calls over data. Step 5. Purchase international add-on packages for occasional international calling. Many carriers offer temporary add-ons providing discounted rates or included minutes for short periods. Step 6. Use Wi-Fi calling for free international calls when available. Wi-Fi calling to US numbers from abroad is typically free, treating calls as domestic regardless of location. Step 7. Try callback services that reduce international calling costs. Some services call you back and connect you to international numbers at lower rates. Step 8. Monitor usage carefully if paying per minute rates. International calling costs accumulate quickly, so track minutes used and consider switching to unlimited plans if making frequent calls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.